Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to Working Out with Rick in the Gym. So today I got a good one for you. We're going to do a circuit today, and the circuit's going to be with or without weights. If you're not that advanced, then don't use weights. If you are advanced, use the weights. So we're going to do more of a full body workout. We're going to break it down into, we're going to start with shoulders. So we're going to work from top to bottom. So we're going to start with shoulders, then we're going to go to arms, then we're going to go to chest, then we're going to go to abs, and then we're going to go to legs and glutes. And so we're going to hit those. And so what we're going to do is we're going to start with shoulder press, then we're going to go to lateral raisers, then we're going to go to, we'll do bench press first, and then we'll do bis and tris, then we're going to do abs, and then we're going to do some air squats to work the glutes and the quads and everything else. And so we'll do those. And so one time through is one circuit. So the first time through, we're just going to do it with no weights. And our number here is just 10. We're going to keep it simple. So 10 of everything. And then as we get through the circuits and we start adding weights, again, it's going to get a little bit harder. But the goal here is to go through, to do as many reps or many cycles through as you can for about 15, 20 to 30 minutes, right? So a good 15 to 20 minute or possibly 30-minute workout is a good deal. So with that, we're going to get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to warm up the shoulders. So it's really just like this. We're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? And then we're going to do lateral raises for the shoulders. 1, 2, 3. And the goal here for as you do it is to kind of point those thumbs down when you come up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we're going to go to bench press, right? So all we're going to do is we're just going to sit back. We're going to act like we have dumbbells. We're just going to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to go to bicep curls. So it's just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to do tricep kickback. So it looks like this, like this. You want the upper arm to be parallel to the deck. So the upper arm parallel to the ground. And all you're going to do is push back. 1, 2, 3. The goal here is to squeeze. And that's the key on everything. Squeeze, right? Squeeze them. And I guarantee if you squeeze, you'll feel that muscle back there. You'll feel that tricep tightening up, okay? That's the triceps. Now we're gonna do abs, right? So with the abs, we can do it on the bench or you can do it on the floor. It doesn't matter. And so all we're gonna do is we're just gonna sit up like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and now we're going to do squats. So air squats, again, the key here is to get down. You want those knees to track over your toes, right? You don't want to collapse the knees in or out. You want them to go straight over the toes. So, and we're just doing 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's 1 second or 1 circuit through. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move on to a little advancement. So now we're going to throw some weights in there, okay? So the goal here is to do as many as you can for 30 minutes. Well, between 15 and 30 minutes based on your physical ability and your time. So for me, I'm just going to do 1 turn through with you, and then I'm going to end it so we're not here all day, okay? So we're going to start first with, we're going to do the 20 pounders, right? So it's going to be military or standing press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. All right. Then we're going to go to lateral raisers. Again, we're going to point the thumbs down as we come up. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to stand up tall. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now we're going to do bench press, and I'm going to go grab these 50s over here. All right, so we're going to grab these 50s, and we're just going to do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we're going to do bicep curls. And we'll just grab, I think we have more over here already. We'll grab these. And we're just going to do 10. 1. The deal is to really squeeze. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now we're going to do tricep kickbacks. I'm going to grab these 10s over here. I'll tell you, if you stay on it, you keep it going, you're going to get a workout. You're going to work your cardio too at the same time. So here we go. Now we're just going to kick it back. Keep the upper arms parallel to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now we're going to do abs. Again, 10. And begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we're going to do air squats. Now for these, I'm going to actually hold a weight that it puts a little bit more pressure, a little bit more weight on this. So I'm going to use 10 pounds. You don't have to, but just something. I'm just going to hold it out front, and we're just going to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. That's 2 through, guys. So I'm going to end it here. I'm going to continue. I want you to continue. Hey, this is fun. This is fun. What a way to get the Saturday going. Go get your exercise. Again, you don't need weights to do these. So that's the best part about it, is you don't need to have weights. You can just do it outside. You can just do substitute push-ups. Just raise your arms up and so on. So, hey, I'm proud of you. Get it in. Hey, invest in yourself. Invest in your health. We'll talk to you the next time.